In Red Dead Redemption, survival is determined by the weapons you carry and how well you use them. The Wild West is filled with dangers, outlaws, bounty hunters, rival gangs, and even deadly wildlife. To stay alive, you must choose the right weapons for every situation and maintain them properly. Revolvers and pistols are essential for quick-draw duels and close combat. The Cattleman revolver is reliable, but the Schofield revolver and the powerful volcanic pistol offer greater damage. For rapid-fire action, repeaters like the Lancaster repeater provide a perfect balance of speed and accuracy, making them ideal for gunfights on horseback or against multiple enemies. Shotguns are devastating at close range. The pump-action and double-barreled shotguns can take down enemies in one shot, making them perfect for clearing out rooms or defending yourself against ambushes. For long-range combat, sniper rifles like the rolling block rifle allow precise shots, giving you an advantage when hunting or engaging enemies from a distance. If you prefer stealth, bows and throwing knives offer silent takedown options. A well-placed arrow can eliminate a target without alerting others, while throwing weapons like tomahawks and hatchets provide brutal melee alternatives. Weapon maintenance is just as important as selection. Guns degrade over time, so regular cleaning and upgrades, such as improved grips and custom sights, enhance performance. Special ammunition, including explosive and high-velocity rounds, adds versatility in combat. Mastering Red Dead weaponry ensures survival in a world where danger lurks at every turn. Whether you're hunting, defending your camp, or taking on rival gangs, choosing the right weapons and knowing when to use them can mean the difference between life and death. Arm yourself wisely and dominate the frontier.